I'm Ken Foltz. I'm the executive chef here at Milton Hershey School. Today we have the students working in the kitchen so that they could have a hands-on idea of what it's like to work in a production kitchen.
And they actually get hands-on experience. They understand the speed, the pace that you need to be in, the sanitation that you need to be in, and just how to work as a team.
We have about 15 staff members here, and there's about 15 students, so they're working one-on-one with the cooks. They're working in the bake shop.
They're making like 2,000 plus cupcakes.
And in the kitchen.
I'm grading feta right now. So working alongside the staff, it helped me realize how much work they really put in to help us and make sure that we're fed every day. It's just fun to be here with them and laugh and get stuff done.
My first day here, I was with the Healthy Choices lady, and she talked to me a lot about college and just how it is to work in the food industry in general. It made me realize you really have to think about little things in order to be successful.
It's kind of important to work with the staff, and it's also important for the staff to work with the students. The kitchen staff gets to have one-on-one with the students and remember exactly why they're here.
Working here as an alumni, it benefits me and the school because I feel like I'm giving back to so many people that gave to me, and it just makes me feel like I'm a part of the school too, again, and this is my home.